Welcome to another Autism Tree Project interview. My name is Jonah, and we are here with
Elijah Johnson.
the big fella. Are you ready for probably the hardest interview you've ever had?
Let's get into it.
Okay. First question. Elijah Johnson's driving in the car. He sees the gas station. What's your go-to gas station snack and beverage?
The snack,
What do you get?
I'm probably gonna go, can I do a candy?
If it's at the gas station.
All right, bet. Peach rings trolley with a strawberry milk from Nesquik.
Wow. I would disagree with that highly. I would go straight water. I'm only water.
Healthy guy.
Yes.
Healthy guy.
Yeah, healthy guy. I got a recommendation for you.
All right, what you got?
Chocolate peanut butter pie Oreos.
Yeah.
Besides you, who has the best playlist on the team?
I'm gonna have to go with James Scott. I mean, he just plays his own music. His own music slaps too.
You gotta hear my music at some point.
I know, bro. You're like a global DJ.
Not global yet, but soon to be.
Hey, we're manifesting it.
Let's see if you get this. I asked your buddy CJ this, like day one. Can you name every NFL team with red in their logo? There's 13 answers.
I cannot. Can you?
Yeah, if I pull up my phone. Nah, I'm kidding. Giants, Cardinals, there's 13. Bills, Bucks, Steelers, Chiefs, Niners. Are you counting? Because I don't have all fingers.
I got you.
7.
We got 7?
Yeah. Ravens, because the eye.
All right.
Titans. You've got the Falcons. What am I at? 9?
Commanders?
Yeah, Commanders. That's what I was thinking of. And then you've got, I said Cardinals. Am I at 9 or 10?
You're at 10.
Okay.
We might have to come back.
Yeah, I will.
We will have to come back to that one.
Elijah over here has a buddy named Cordano Russell. Olympic skater, great guy.
Great guy.
Yes, great guy. You want to show the viewers at home the Christmas gift I got you?
So Jonah took it upon himself to get me a Thrasher magazine with one of my best friends, my brother, Cordano Russell, on the bag. So
Well, on the front.
Oh, on the front. My fault. On the front. And
Which is more important than the back.
exactly, and I really appreciate it. And then I got him a Christmas present as well.
If you point the camera down, we're Jordan twins.
Wow.
Yeah.
Had to get right. Had to match.
Yeah, absolutely. And USD colors. Look at that. The Buddy Program for Autism Tree. I've been doing this since the days of, I think it was Jonah Hodges, my name twin from like way back. He's in the CFL now. It's a super fun program where the buddies get to meet up with the players, and the kids love it. We love it. Players love it. And my best friend John Hickey loves it. Shout out John Hickey. Love you, bro. This is what, the 16th year we're doing this now? Before we sign off, I got probably the hardest question for you. You ready?
What you got? What you got?
You're on an island. You can only have 3 things to survive. What are you taking with you?
A water bottle, my wife, and the Bible.
I was hoping you would say something other than a water bottle. 'Cause,
Gotta stay hydrated.
I mean, with healthy water. I get you, bro. I get you. And we'll end it with our very classic handshake. Not on my watch.
Not on my watch.
Not on my watch.